Hello, this is Hooked by Happenstance. I'm Kendra, and it is Sunday night, which means it's time for my Sunday sunrise. But today, we have a bit of a twist. In addition to the low ambient festive lighting, I have something to share with you. So, here we go. I wrote it down. 'Tis the night before Christmas, at least at our place. Procrastination levels are high. That's why you're seeing my face. The stockings aren't finished, and I no longer care. They're placed on the back burner. When they're finished, I'll share. The animals are all sleeping. My children are too. Time to find a big marker and write my to-dos. I will keep the list short, not overcommit. I'll use a small paper. Not too much will fit. The squeakiest wheels are the things to address, and everything else, it'll just stay a mess. The first thing to finish are the Christmas pajamas. They're flannel and snuggly with candy canes and no Santas. There's 5 of us waiting to wear these new clothes. So far, one's most finished. Just hemming. Here goes. Now 3 should be simple, straightforward, just sewing. But mine's a creative endeavor that's growing. I should easily finish before it is morning, and when Steve returns home, I'll be peacefully snoring. We'll dress in the PJs and then undertake eating the coffee cake I also must bake. What other things on my list need completing? Are there more challenges? 'Cause that might be self-defeating. No, that is it. Well, maybe one thing more. There's the presents I made and we bought at the store. They are unwrapped because paper is wasteful. But I've got fabric bags and pillowcases are tasteful. I'd like to write riddles on little note cards and hide them around. That's really not hard. If I can write a to-do list in the form of a poem, I can make a quick scavenger hunt and then show them where the gifts are all hidden, and then I will sleep. A nap with the knowledge my list was complete. I even made a video. There's a vlog loading too. So check out my channels. Did you know there are 2? Links in the description. Ooh, and check out my shop. Okay, the self-promotion will stop. I have a short list to tackle and it's just past 1. But burning the midnight oil can be fun. So now take a moment and consider your list. Consider a new way to add a fun twist. Enjoy and keep smiling. Try to conjure up laughter. Have a good Christmas, and I'll see you all the day after. Bye!